Namaste. Dear brothers and sisters, today so far we have completed around 20,000 packs of homeopathy medicine for distribution, especially the risk area police stations, the police team. So we're going to dispatch it today, and other few important updates for the improving the immune system at our food distribution counter on the highway at Adakal toll gate. So today we are introducing immune improvement kashayam, the green tea with the tipatiga, vepa, and tulsi, lemongrass, pepper, and palm jaggery together. So we'll make a tea and then supply to all duty police and the duty people over there to boost their immune power. And similarly, in different places, we are trying to introduce this Ayurvedic and homeopathy, giving more immune boost to those who are in duty. For duty police, especially apart from the arsenic album, the homeopathy medicine, we're trying to give more tips on the kashayams, like naturally how they can improve their immune system. So which is most important at the moment to protect themselves from the COVID and also their families. So these 20,000 packs can be used by 20,000 families basically, and at the same time 20,000 the awareness pamphlets with the kashayams details, everything is going along with. So that means it's a good education for all the teams, and that can also in turn educate many people in their circle, because police is the best teachers now in the society. They can educate people to be healthy and live healthy. So but once they have got this good change in them. And then the next thing, the food distribution wise, kids we are going to dispatch today. I think so far we have completed around 1,000 family grocery kits, so costing each 500 rupees for the migrant labor who do not have. So one of the examples I'll give you is yesterday one family came, walked into our office in Manota, Hyderabad, and they said we are unable to live here because we don't have food and the grocery stuff, and I don't know how to continue. So he is a welder. He's living well, but with it was earlier work, but now all these workers, they do not have work, and they do not have ration cards, so they're not getting ration, and they're staying in rented or small rented home, and they have to pay the rents, and they have to get this one. So that such kind of families, there are so many families are there. So I realized during last few days interacted with many families during the distribution. So a lot of help is required in this, but we need to identify absolute needy people in this area. So our volunteers are trying to do their best to make this effort better. And apart from that, the other side, in the grocery fridge, we are also including the immune enhancement ingredients, the kitchen ingredients like turmeric, pepper, ginger, garlic, and sonti, the dry ginger, barley, sabja seeds. So such kind of things we are including so that people can utilize it. Jeera, azwain, all main ingredients are included as part of that kit. So that way the people can make use of this kitchen ingredient to improve and to keep their immune system protected. So this is more important in the society. So all the volunteers and all the selfless service organizations, charities, so they can focus more on this kind of approach so that it will be more useful. At the same time, reaching needy is a challenging, so we need to identify appropriately, working together with the police and working together with the number of local people and properly connecting the needy. So it is always better so go with the known areas and identify properly needy people rather than just distributing, because everyone already got some ration from the government and some NGOs, but they take whatever they, but other needy they do not have. So that's why we need to identify those people who have not got the ration and then give them support. And medical call side, this is going well. Most of the calls related to the inner fears, basically throat infections and throat pains, chest pains, and the common fevers. So for everything they are feeling okay, it may be COVID symptom or something. So those are the main calls. Of course, for the common problems and chronics, some people they have issues. They are also calling our helpline, especially police and police families. They are utilizing this service mainly because they are in duty and they are in risk areas. They are working. So we are happy that we are able to serve the right needy time at right time. And thank you all doctors who are supporting this cause, and thank you all psychologists who are helping in counseling the number of people in vulnerable areas. Apart from that, and some of the follow-ups we have done recently with the earlier cases, the critical cases what we have received so far in medical. So the good news is the many of the cases they have recovered very well with the phone treatment, and it's a great credit goes to doctors. They have done wonderful job. So it's by God's grace, it's all working together well, and we are happy that we are able to serve the cause at the right time, and with a great association, the police team, and great association with the doctors, volunteers working together. This kind of an integration and unity is very important, especially for the selfless service. So, and I bow to all the volunteers who are working selflessly. Thank you very much. Please keep it up. May God bless you all. Namaste.